Hey everyone, my name is John Williams with Kimberly Nurseries, and today we're going to talk about how to care for concrete pavers. Quality concrete pavers can create beautiful patios, walkways, and driveways that can last for generations with minimal care and maintenance. However, there are a few things you can do to help extend the life of your pavers. Typically, concrete pavers are installed on top of a compacted base with a sand bedding layer. They typically have sand swept between the pavers to help lock them all together as well as protect the sand bedding layer. This sand is called the joining sand. It is important to keep the joints topped off with joining sand to keep the pavers from shifting. Installing polymeric sand, which is a sand that has polymer mixed in with it, for the joining sand can help prolong the life of the joining sand and help reduce the maintenance overall. It is generally a good practice to clean your pavers each spring. There are some specific cleaners that are designed to help dislodge dirt and grime that have accumulated on your pavers throughout the previous season. Using these cleaners along with scrubbing your pavers with a stiff bristled broom can help keep your pavers looking like new. But be careful if you use a pressure washer to clean your pavers because the force of the spray can cause the surface of the pavers to wear away and expose the aggregate underneath. Occasionally, weeds may try to grow in the joints of the pavers, which can cause shifting in the pavers if they're left unattended for a long period of time. It's best to remove these weeds when they're small and easy to remove. Depending on the use of the pavers, it can be common to get stains on your pavers, such as motor oil or grease. It's best to remove these stains promptly, as the longer these remain on your pavers, the harder they are to remove. Spills should be soaked up with an absorbent material and cleaned with an appropriate cleaner. Dawn dish soap can do a great job in helping remove oil or grease stains. For the more severe stains, several treatments may be necessary, or there are some special cleaners that are formulated for the various types and needs. For those highly persistent stains, it is possible to remove and replace the affected pavers, making the area just as good as new. Pavers are typically a concrete product, and in the process of curing, they sometimes get a white film or a haze on the pavers. This is a normal part of the aging process, and this white film is called efflorescence. Most of the time, typical wear and use will cause the efflorescence to wear away, but sometimes in extreme cases or areas of low wear, the efflorescence can remain, but there are special cleaners that are formulated to help remove the efflorescence. Most of these cleaners are acid-based and are best applied by a professional that's trained to use them properly. One of the many advantages to using pavers is their adaptability and ability to make repairs without needing to remove or replace the whole area. Occasionally, settling can occur in your paver area, or repairs may be necessary depending on what utility lines lie below the pavers. If a portion of the pavers need to be removed for a repair, only the affected area needs to be removed, then the base reworked, and then the pavers replaced, and the area could look the same as it did when they were first installed. Pavers are also a very sustainable product. They can be removed, moved, and reconfigured depending on the changing styles and the needs of your outdoor environment. Pavers look great in their natural state. However, it is generally a good idea to seal your pavers. Sealing the pavers helps to protect the pavers from wear and staining. It can also help to enhance the color of the pavers and provide additional stabilization of the joining sand. We recommend waiting to seal the pavers until they've been installed for about a year. This helps to ensure the pavers are fully cured and reduces the likelihood of additional efflorescence appearing. It may be necessary to reseal your pavers, especially in areas of high traffic, but sealers shouldn't be applied more than once every 3 to 5 years. Too many applications can create a film on the surface of the pavers that can discolor in the sunlight. Pavers can be a highly attractive and low-maintenance option for all types of paved surfaces that can last for years. If you have a question about pavers, or if we can help you out with a paver project, please give us a call and we would be happy to help.